Hey, what's going on, guys? So it is 110 degrees in the truck right now. Well, actually, I think it's an outside temperature. It was 114 when I first got in here, but it's dropping because I have the AC on. But I want to make a quick video just showing, where is it? Right there. All right, so me and my wife are antiquing. I want to give a quick update on this because when I showed that I was going to carry pepper spray in the vehicle, I know a lot of people were concerned or worried. Whoop, back out here. Worried that, obviously if it gets too hot in the vehicle, it could explode, it could leak. That would be probably one of the worst things that can happen. God forbid you're driving and a thing explodes and then you have pepper spray or gel all in your eyes. That would be like worst case scenario. But being 100 degrees out right now, it's either 100 or 101, something like that. Being 114 in the vehicle, when I go to touch that bottle, it gets hot. I can't hold it. That's how hot it is. But it didn't explode. It's supposed to be good up to 120 degrees where I am in northeastern Pennsylvania, which right now I'm at some kind of antique mall. I think in, I forget, where are we? Tannersville. Oh, that's right, Tannersville. So Tannersville, PA. This is about as hot as it gets. This is the worst case scenario. Now, obviously, if you live out in Arizona or something, it's 120 out. That could be a problem and it can explode. But I was never worried about it. And I just want to document this is about as bad as it's going to get. It's rare we get 100 degrees or 101 degrees where I live. And in the vehicle, obviously all black truck, sun beating on it, no shade. 114, 115-ish, that's about the peak temperature, Fahrenheit. So anyway, that's it, just a quick update. We're still good. No explosive in the vehicle pepper spray, which is a good thing. That's it. But hope you guys having a wonderful day. Hopefully you stayed cool. I'm sure by the time you see this video, the heat wave will be over, but it is brutal. We went out the other day and I got sunburn, which is killing me. Even through my shirt with the sun, it's so painful. So remember to use sunblock. Another little PSA. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a wonderful day. See you soon.